gets me every time.
What's up guys, my name is Bryan and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit your video. Okay, so let's start. First, you need to open your editing software. So for this, I'm going to use Final Cut Pro X. Basically, you can use iMovie or any editing software like Filmora or something. So let's start. So you just wait it. Okay, here. You just go to File, New, and Project. So open it, then name your project. For this, I'm going to name it Bianca Sample Vlog. Okay, then you just leave like this, then press OK. Now, you just need to find your video. Okay, for this one, I saved the video already on my computer. So just find it. Here we go. Bianca video. You just simply drag all of it here. And there you go. Then you check it.
Hi Bianca, happy nè. Hoàng Câm hỏi
Alright. So now, if you can notice, this video has this black line on the side. Alright, so to be able to remove that one, all you need to do is go to here, this icon here. Just go, then crop, then go to crop your video. Alright, then you can move, just drag it wherever you want, then click done. Alright, there you go. Okay, the next one you need to do is to put the video, put the music on your video. So for this one, I have a music here already. Open your music. Okay, sorry, it's not that one. I go to my download file. Then I'm gonna be using this one. Let me check first. Okay, this one. Then you just drag it under the video. What happened? Yes, it's like that. All right. So you just start in the beginning.
Hi Bianca,
All right.
happy nè.
Looks okay already. So for this, I want to add transition. For the transition, you just go on this icon, just click. Then normally I choose cross dissolve. Then you just drag it in the beginning, and it will look like this.
Hi Bianca, happy nè.
Yes. So if you want to make your video a little bit faster, you just click this icon here, then custom. Then you just drag it to about 130. Yeah, that one. That's enough for me. And then just try play.
Hi Bianca, happy nè. Hoàng Câm.
Alright, so to remove the sounds of the video in your video clip, you just go on this line. You can see this line. You just drag it till you don't see the sound waves. Alright, so it will sound like this. Alright, next, to add transition on the next video, for this one you just need to go again on this transition. For this, I will choose where is that? This one, zoom. So just drag it there, then it will pop up like that. Just click the create transition. All right. Okay, this video is a little bit longer, so let's try to make it a little bit smaller. Okay, for this, just click your video, and then press Command and B. This will cut your video. Then you just delete this one. Click delete, and then let's try the transition from the beginning.
Oh, Bianca, say hi.
Alright, for that one I don't want to remove the sound from the video because my wife is walking to my daughter, so I just leave it there. So just move a little bit here, then click again the video, then Command B again. So remove the rest of the video, then go to transition again, zoom and put it there, and create transition again. Okay, for this one I want to use the last part of the video that my Bianca saying thank you. So let's start from here. Click the video again, then Command B, then delete the first one. Okay, and let's listen.
Hi guys.
So for this one, the music, this one is a little bit louder that you cannot hear my Bianca, my daughter's voice. So all you need to do is just simply cut on this part. Just go on this part, then Command B. Okay, remember guys, you need to click the video or your music first. Then you can see this yellow line. Then you just click Command B. All right, to make sure you're clicking the right, you're splitting the right file. All right, now you just drag it down like that. Then this one you make it a little bit louder. Just drag up. So 5 is okay. So just try to listen again.
Hi guys. Thank you watching to my video. Bye guys. Mama Bobo 199.
Alright, if you want to cut a little bit, you just drag this one, go to the end of it. Just you can see this icon. Just drag like that. Okay, it's a little bit louder, so let's make it a little bit more lower, the sound. Basically, you can just click here and go to this icon and just click this one and change the volume. But this is actually the shortcut one, so I don't need to go click on this part. So next, you just click this one and Command B, then delete the rest of it. Delete. And if you want this to fade out, just go on this this one. You can see this one, you just drag it and it will fade out your video, your music.
Bobo 199.
Yes. So next I will add transition on the last part. So I will choose fade out. Again, you go to this icon. This is your transition. Okay, where is my fading out? So here, fade to color. Just drag there, and there you go. Alright, by the way, if you can see, again we have this one because I never crop it. Go to crop again and press done, and go here, crop again and press done. Alright, to add titles on your video, especially in the beginning, you just go here. You can see this T icon. You just click that one and you can see a bunch of titles here. So basically I go to basic title, just drag it and go to there. This one goes on the top of the video. Alright, then click that one, then go here, then double click. Then you can just simply type whatever you want. Just say Bianca vlog video. Okay, there you go. To be able to change this font, all you need to do is go to the right side of the Final Cut Pro. You can see, you just click this icon, text inspector, I mean this one, then you can see here, there you go. Then this is your font. You can change your font here. So my favorite font is Bevas. I don't know how to pronounce that one. All right, if you can see, it's a little bit smaller. So to be able to size it, click size and go all the way there. There you go. But the text is a little bit blurry. I want to make it a little bit stand out. So I dropped shadow and there you go. Then if you want to cut it a little bit, move to your left, go to wherever you like. Then let's try. There you go.
ถ่ายดูหนังชิเปียงค่ะ say hi อะ
Hello, Papa. Hi, guys.
All right. And the next thing, I want to add end credits. For this, I use basic title again. Put it there, and I just type thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. All right, and just click OK. And then change it. I use this one, HTTC, and make it bigger. And that's it. That's basically the basic thing you need to do in editing your vlog video, dance video, or any video you like to edit. So after this, you're gonna need to share it. Go to this icon, just press it. Then you go to master file defaults. Okay, just wait. Then you can see this one. So you can change the settings of this video by just simply click settings. You can use better quality, faster encoder. You can also change the resolution. But for this one, you cannot change it to 4K because in the beginning you only set it in 2K. Okay, so don't force it to change it to 4K because you cannot find it. So basically I'm okay with this. You just please next. Then for this is where you can save it. For this, I'll save it on my desktop. Okay, then click save, and voila, we're done. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching on this video. If you have question or any suggestion, you just let me know in the comment section. I will try to do it for you. All right, thank you and enjoy editing your video. Bye bye.
Piang hả, say hi á.
Hello, Papa. Hi, guys. Thank you for watching to my video. Bye, guys. Mama, Bobo, 199.